Hello, this is Preeti from Krya and you're watching our video on the Krya Damage Repair hair products which have been specially formulated for heat damaged and chemically damaged hair. In this video you're going to be looking at how exactly you should be using these products to restore the health of your hair. But apart from this, there are some watch-outs that you need to keep in mind when it comes to heat and chemically damaged hair. And I'm going to be listing 10 of those things that you should be doing when you have hair like this. The first, remember that chemically damaged hair is extremely fragile, it's very weak, it lacks elasticity and strength, and it is liable to break very easily. So, make sure that you treat it very gently. Do not use a brush on this hair, use a wide toothed comb. Do not try and make complex hairstyles, tight braids, high ponytails, or use a lot of pins on this hair, because all of this can break this hair. The second thing to remember is this, that chemically damaged hair tends to be extremely porous. This means that the cuticular structure is broken, and in these places water will enter the hair. When water enters the hair will swell and it will break. So every time you expose your hair to water, which is washing it, there is going to be some amount of damage. So you want to minimize this damage by washing this kind of hair less. We suggest once a week. It could maximum extend to twice a week, but certainly not every single day or once in 2 days. This level of washing is too much even for healthy hair. Damaged hair is certainly not going to be able to take this level of washing. The third thing to remember is, do not heat damaged hair in any way. By heat I mean using flat irons, blow drying it, or even steam, steam treatments, sauna, any manner of heat on the hair, because this will further lead to hair breakage. Oil is chemically damaged hair's best friend. Oil helps protect the hair every time the hair is subjected to wind and water. Oil also helps restore the health of the scalp. It helps improve the microcirculation of the scalp and stimulates hair growth. So damaged hair needs to be oiled much more than regular hair, at least 4 to 5 times a week. And remember, every time you decide to wash hair, it has to be thoroughly coated in the correct oil. This will help protect the hair from breaking, from swelling and breaking when it comes into contact with water. As chemically damaged hair is so fragile and is liable to break easily, we have to be very careful about the products that we choose to help with this hair. The shampoo that you use has to be very gentle and very natural. I prefer that you use a natural hair wash like what Krya makes. Any synthetic shampoo will dry out this hair very quickly, and it will lead to further damage. Along with hair damage, we find that the scalp also becomes damaged in when you have chemical damage or heat damage. The hair that the scalp generates is very weak. Our customers tell us that the hair is fine, soft like baby hair. When you tug it, it breaks, and it comes out with from the roots. So to help repair this, to detoxify the scalp and to stimulate better growth, you need to apply nutrient-rich masks. So this should be done on a regular basis for chemically damaged hair. I cannot stress enough about the role of food in any kind of hair or skin program, especially in a program for chemically damaged hair. Eating high quality food that is correct for your prakriti will help the body build the dhatus and build the nutrients required to generate good quality hair. So this is very important. Junk eating, stress eating, eating late, eating untimely food, and eating food that is not correct for your prakriti will not help your hair. On the other hand, if you eat on time, if you eat right, and if you eat nutrient dense food, it will really help your program. Along with the right ahara, which we just spoke about, the right dinacharya practices like an abhyanga is very good to help the body get into a state of balance. And we know when the body gets into a state of balance, we're able to grow high quality hair and repair our skin better. So a self abhyanga once or twice a week, preferably with the right abhyanga oil, will help bring down overall dryness and vata aggravation in the body. It will also balance the 3 doshas, and it will help promote better quality hair growth. So this is something that you should consider. I don't need to say this, but I'm going to say this anyway. Stay away from any further chemical treatments. So if you're already on a program to repair chemically damaged hair, don't go in for any further chemical treatments, and that includes doing hair spas, hair conditioning treatments, texture alteration treatments, heat based treatments, coloring, etc. Stay away from all of this. Lastly, be positive. Hair and the body responds when you start giving it good quality inputs. Yours will too. So continue doing what you have to do. Work on your hair, but don't do it in a state of despair. Do it, hoping for a good outcome, and you're surely going to get it.